What is up, my fellow artists, rappers, and producers? Today I'm going to be giving you guys a video on how to convert cover art for YouTube. Alright, so the first thing you guys are going to need is going to be your cover art. I got my cover art right here. I got two different formats to show you that you can switch it either way. I have a 500 by 500, and then I have a 1920 for 1080p for YouTube. Alright, so now we're going to open up an internet page. I'm going to look up convert 1080p to 500 by 500. And we have an internet resizer. So the first thing we're going to do is select the format that we want. Select the width that we wish to receive. 1920 by 1080. And I'm going to take this 500 by 500 to show you guys that you can do it. It's processing. Sent me a download. Bam, there it is. Now I'm going to try it again, but this time I'm going to switch from YouTube format to cover art format. So 500 to 500. I'm going to take the 1920 by 1080p format that I have, and it is uploading my new format. And bam, there it is. You got your cover art. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.